Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. Got a sharp 2020 Acura MDX. Beautiful vehicle, sharp color. It's called modern silver metallic. Got beautiful 20-inch black wheels. Got the backup camera, dual exhaust. For a 7-passenger vehicle, this thing looks like a sports car. Got some nice lines to it. Got nice tinted windows. It's got HID automatic headlights. This one also has the technology package, so you're gonna have the lane assist package, which will keep the vehicle between the lines. It'll actually steer itself. Adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitor system, all the safety feature. And also this remote engine start. You just lock it, wait for the green light, push and hold this, and it cranks up. That's great. You'll get the climate control going. Got power folding mirrors. It's a one-owner, clean Carfax, non-smoker, Southern vehicle, no rust, like new condition. It's also been certified, so you get the powertrain warranty up to 100,000 miles. It's got the passive keyless entry. All you do is put your finger on your hand on the door handle, and as long as the key fob is nearby, it'll unlock, and you can lock by pushing this button. Beautiful interior. It's got the wood grain, got memory seats, power folding mirrors. There's your power rear liftgate, gas release. It's got nice heated leather seats, lumbar support, power seats. Very comfortable. Got your all-weather floor mats. It's got power telescoping and tilt. Got 8-speed or 9-speed automatic transmission with a paddle shift. And all your controls here. Still smells new, very nice. All you just put your foot on the brake, push the start button, and there it goes. How about the miles? Only 4,400 miles, very low miles. There's where you control your cruise control with, that's you control the distance with adaptive cruise, lane assist. There's all your audio control for the radio. I really like this. They've got 2 screens, one for the navigation system and one for your radio, so you don't have to go back and forth. That's the way it should be. Automatic climate control. There's your heated seats. It's got AM, FM, Sirius satellite disc, CD player. How about that? It's got a hard drive. You can put some music on it. Got push button transmission. Very easy to use. That's reverse. And that's your camera. And then you've got your drive mode. There's that dynamic mode, normal mode, and sport mode. It'll change the shifting pattern. And let's go back and park. There's a lot of, I don't know if you can see, I took a picture of this, but there's some USB outlet to keep your phone charged, auxiliary ports, lots of storage, all kind of storage. Got the owner's manual, both keys. It's got the auto dimming rearview mirror. Got your universal garage door opener, sunroof. This thing's so tight, driving it, it's just, you can tell it's a quality made vehicle. It's very roomy too. Look at these big doors back here. Got lots of leg room. Even got climate control for the rear passenger. Some charging ports, and you can push the button here and the seat scoots up all by itself. How about that? And access to the 3rd seat. And what's nice, that same function is available up here, so the back passenger can get out on their own. You just push the button and the seat gets out of the way, so you don't have to get out of the car and help them out. Very nice. Beeping because I left a key, or one key in it, I think. Got LED tail lights. Power liftgate. That's handy when you get your hands full. And that third seat folds down. And you got your cargo cover. That covers, and then you got lots of storage. You can tell this is not a rental or hadn't been abused. There's no scratch for luggage or anything like that. Wish the whole vehicle is in new condition. You've got an outlet here, and to close it, you just push this button back and boom. Same buttons for this seat. That is so cool. You don't have to go to school to learn how to use it. Very simple. Power seat on this side too with lumbar support. Got both key fobs. You can tell when you shut the door, just the quality. I don't know if you can hear that, but this here is a 3.6 liter, 3.5 liter V6. This engine's been on the market for a long time, reliable, fuel efficient. This is about as good as it gets for quality and resale value. Beautiful lights. It's a good looking vehicle. So this Acura comes with the remainder of the factory warranty. You can see the description for details. If you're looking for a sharp luxury SUV in light new condition at an affordable price, this here should do it. To see if this MDX is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have competitive financing available with low interest rate and good term. Create applications on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, you can call or text anytime. 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.